Morning everyone. Just got done with my pre-trip and I'm up here in lovely New York around the Syracuse area, and being this cold and snowy, I had to use a different set of gloves than I usually do. So I wanted to put together this quick little video and explain what different types of gloves are essential for being a trucker. So the first set that I use is just a regular easy on, easy off cloth. You know, they get dusty and dirty, yeah, but that's my first set. Second set, you have to have a second a pair just for fueling. As you can tell, there's so much grease and diesel crap and whatever from the nozzles at the fueling stations. I just have a real cheap pair just for fueling. Okay, then my last pair that I highly suggest is for days like this, cold and rainy, or cold and snowy, and even on rainy days where you don't want to get your other gloves soaking wet. These are, I think it's called nitrite or nitrile lined. It's like a almost like a kitchen rubber glove, kitchen type rubber glove, and it's lined with fur, so it's nice and warm. So it keeps your hands dry, and they're easily cleaned off and dried off, and they dry quick because there's the moisture isn't getting absorbed into the material. So I use those on days like today or during the rain. So those are the three types of gloves that I highly recommend as a trucker. All right, everybody, have a great day. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch you next time.